Now, trading doesn't have to be an uphill battle, but it will be if you don't get your technical analysis sorted out correctly. Now, what I'm talking about is understanding the market. Now, technical analysis, it's completely subjective, and that's why there's so many different theories around using technical analysis. Now, why do people use indicators? It's because they don't understand the fundamental side of the market, where direction and momentum comes from. So they overlay Bollinger Bands, MACDs, moving averages, and a whole range of analysis tools to try and tell them when to get in and out. But the problem is these indicators lag the market by 3 to 4 hours. By the time you're getting in, the traders are getting out. Now, technical analysis, I agree, it's completely subjective. But what about if your subjective view was the same as the bankers that control 95% of the volume? You're drawing trend lines the exact same way they do, and you know exactly the key levels, where to get in, where to get out. And this is where the secret gravy that generates consistent returns comes from. And not only that, if you overlay the fundamental perspective of the markets, and this is where direction and momentum comes from, you overlay good technical analysis with the fundamentals. Now we're talking the secret sauce where consistent returns come in, because all you need to know is where to get in and which direction to go. And that'll determine the best trading strategy to give you the results you're looking for. So stop beating yourself up, find out how to draw your technical analysis correctly, overlay that with the direction that comes from the fundamentals, and now you're trading like a pro. And this is the detail that you'll get with our Financial Markets Trading Masterclass course. We look forward to working with you. Good luck and happy trading.